Penelope Fox Art Studio. We have art classes for all ages, from 3 and up. We have DIY classes, fine art classes, drawing classes.
I teach the character drawing class, where we focus on the kids getting their ideas out of their head and onto the paper. I try to keep the drawing figurative, but I will let them explore whatever interests them at the time.
I am thrilled to be teaching watercolor. We have students from 11 to adult. The skill level is really every range.
I use color pencils. I love it because you can walk in here and sit down and sit right with the students and go right into the different types of things you can do with the color pencil as a medium.
Well, the biggest thing I like about this studio is that I really only have to teach. But really, I don't think that it's so much teaching as helping the students find the art that's inside of them.
One of the best parts about this class, and one of the things I say to every kid when they start, I've got one rule in the class, and that rule is that they have to have fun. None of them let me down yet.
I wanted to build a space that is fun and free. When our students are free, when the teachers are free, that's when you get the best work out of people.